Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to change country or region on Snaptube. When I open my Snaptube and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos. Thank you guys. Now I'm gonna open my Snaptube. You're not from Nigeria,
You can create any video you want with this app. It's totally AI generated. With this app, anything is possible.
Snaptube. Now, sorry for all this ad. Next thing to do is click on settings. Once you click on settings, just go down. Once you scroll down, click on region and language. Once you click on region and language, you'll be able to, you can see this is my region. So click on region. And currently I'm in Nigeria, so just click on any country that you want to be able to switch to the country easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.